In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Excel sheets to Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're creating a site for a project, a team, or any other purpose, embedding Excel sheets can bring a dynamic and interactive element to your website. Let's dive right into the steps to get this done smoothly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sites. If you haven't already started a site, you can create a new one from scratch, or you might want to edit an existing site. For those new to Google Sites, just sign in with your Google account and head over to sites.google.com. Once you're in Google Sites, you'll see a dashboard of your existing sites, or have the option to create a new site. Find the site you want to work with and click to open it. With your site open, take a look at the right-hand panel where you'll see several tabs, including Insert, Pages, and Themes. Click on Insert to open a whole array of options for adding content to your page. Our focus today is on inserting a file from Google Drive, where you'll find your Excel Sheets file. Now, within the Insert panel, click on the Drive option. Doing this directs you to your Google Drive files. Before you proceed, make sure that your Excel sheet is already uploaded to Google Drive. If it's not there yet, simply go to Google Drive and upload your Excel file. Having done that, you should now locate your desired Excel sheet within Google Drive. You can use the search bar or navigate through the folders to find it swiftly. Once you've found the correct Excel file, give it a click. This action shows you various options to insert the file. Check that you're choosing the right file if you have multiple Excel files in your drive, as this will save you time and keep your site accurate. With your file selected, click on the Insert button, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This action inserts the Excel sheet onto your Google site. What's great about this is Google Sites makes it easy to adjust the size and placement of the embedded Excel book. Click and drag to move it around on your page, or use the blue handles to resize, making sure it fits within the desired area of your website. Before wrapping up, always remember to preview your site to ensure everything looks good. Click on the eye icon labeled Preview at the top of the page to view how your site will appear to visitors. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your changes live. And that's it. You've embedded your Excel sheet into your Google site. Now your data is seamlessly integrated and presented beautifully for your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make the process straightforward for you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more on using Google Sites effectively. See you in the next video.